Hi guys, welcome back to Vipra Gaming. And in this episode again it's Clash Royale and we are going to complete the Firecrackers Fireworks challenge or the show rather. And yes, here we go. So we have the next two rewards, which is the golden chest and 10,000 gold. More than the golden chest, I'm looking forward to get that 10,000 gold, which is a lot actually. Okay, we have the P.E.K.K.A in the first move. And the Firecrackers done some damage. Yes, we have done some good amount of damage on his crown tower now. Yes, go lumberjack. Oh, he has this, these irritating cards. So he has sort of a defensive deck with the skeletons and all those things. He's done a lot of damage now. The Electro Wizard has done some good damage. His King Tower now is active, which has happened too often in this challenge because of the Firecracker. What else can do that? So he has done a lot of damage now. Somehow, we have to get his crown tower. There you go, he gets the tower. He has the arrows as well, so Goblin Barrel is not going to work. So this game is not going well. The first 10... Now there is 10 seconds to go and I think it's going to be double elixir itself. So, yes, the Mega Knight has jumped on a Tesla at least. That's good. Goblin Barrel, come on, don't send arrows. He doesn't, he sends a Valkyrie. Oh no. Oh, I thought the Hog Rider, is going to come towards the Tesla, but it didn't. Yes, both the Firecrackers are gone. But two new have come. So it's no loss for him. I think we lost it here. Then come on, go to the Tesla, yes. Yes, the Earthquake, I don't think the Earthquake, it's as... I think the Fireball is better, though it's the same rarity. We lost this guys and, it's a poor start. We have to agree that. And, 2 more wins. Not much worried about the losses because we can continue. But what's the problem here is, these challenges and the season is going to end in a few minutes. So that's the problem here. I think it's better off defending the miner. Its attack is quite less. Yes, we have done some good damage. Is the P.E.K.K.A hit? Yes, that's good. So even the Lumberjack, it did some massive amount of damage. So both the crown towers, we are good, and just 104 HP left on his one crown tower. But he's going to get ours here because of the which has... Yes, it's gone now. He has the Goblin Drill as well. So I thought we are going to get it earlier, but he got it earlier. Okay, now we have to get the tower. Come on. Yes, we get it. Okay, I think this opponent, was much better than the last one. Much easier to play against. He doesn't have any arrows or other cards to defeat the Goblin Barrel or end the goblin barrel. Yes, the P.E.K.K.A is raged. Oh yes, he didn't spot it, I think. How can he not spot it? The P.E.K.K.A is so, fat and he's so chunky. I don't know how he didn't spot it. Goblin barrel drill again. Yes, both. He's going to get 2 towers, but we are going to get 3 towers, I think. Look, he's not. I don't know whether he's spotting the P.E.K.K.A or not. It's not that, thin or small. It's so huge. Look at that. So simple. Didn't spot the P.E.K.K.A itself. Very surprising. So 3-2 win, which is quite rare. And a golden chest. Something from this, some epic at least. We are going to get a rare. Let's hope we get an epic. No, we are not. Rocket. Okay, the last reward now left to win. Yes, we have the Mega Knight, we have the Goblin Barrel, we have the Lumberjack. Arrows, I think we are not going to use it now, just for one firecracker. If it's 2 or maybe a big attack of these very less HP cards, then we can use it. But just for one firecracker, I think no need of an arrows. He is using that. I don't know what's his strategy. Mega Knight will be raged, but one more Mega Knight. Come on. Yes, Goblin Barrel doing good. So this is good here. Game's going well. We have the arrows. Luckily I didn't send the Inferno because I was about to send, and if I had sent, I think the wall breakers would have dashed our towers and then it would have been chaos. So luckily, I held my hand, or else that we wouldn't have had enough elixir to use the arrows, or rather again the king tower is active, so we would have not had enough elixir to use the arrows itself. Okay, Mega Knight. Yes, one wall breaker I think is going to dash. Yes, one more goblin drill. This time we have the Mega Knight. That's good. Yes, nothing, no damage done by the goblin drill, but a lot of damage done by the firecrackers. Yes, Prince didn't charge on the goblin barrel, but still it has a good attack even if it doesn't charge. The Dark Prince and the Prince, two awesome cards. My goodness, the goblin drill again. No. This is tough, because now we are in deep trouble, because both the crown towers we have not done any damage, so we are actually under pressure here. The wall breakers didn't do anything, but the firecrackers have done everything. 2 towers gone now, so we are in trouble. Actually, we are in serious trouble now. I think this is tough to win. Mega Knight again. I thought the Lumberjack is going to get us that tower, but again the Prince is too good. That's the end of the match. So we have to win another game still, and this is our second loss, I think. Yes. Just one more loss, we have to again continue free. We have a lot of time. We have around half an hour, so that's not bad. I think we can do it in... It's not going to be that big a video, that's for sure. The Mega Knight. Come on. I just want to, just show my Mega Knight early in the game. There we go, the Goblin Barrel. Done nothing. And the firecracker has done some damage. The firecracker is a damn good card. No, I just love its attack and the fire, the what you want to call that, those crackers go so far that it can even touch the king tower from a distance. So that's one more thing which the special quality about it. Just like that. That's exactly what I meant. Oh my goodness, the golem. We have the Tesla just to as a building, so not bad. Not seen anyone using the Expo much, which was a surprise actually. I thought, Tesla is a good card, I know that, and it's even just 4 elixir, so that's not bad. But most of the people use the Tesla and the furnace, not seen many people using the Expo. I think that main reason is because of the elixir, it's 6, I think. That's a lot in Clash Royale, but not in Castle Crush, but in Clash Royale it's quite a few. Maybe that's the reason. Electro Wizard Rage, it's quite quick, and also its attack is more when it's raged. So even when it's not raged, its attack is close to 200 or maybe more than 200. Not sure. Golem again. You don't want to keep Wizard behind the card, isn't it? Because it deals area damage and its attack is also more. So I don't like, to keep a Wizard behind any card. Obviously when I am playing I like it, but I don't like the opponent being like that. So I just want to get the Wizard out. Still we are well and good in this game. Hopefully it doesn't turn around. Hopefully we can just keep going like this. Yes, the arrows. Come on, Mega Knight. Oops, that's exactly what I meant again. The Valkyrie has, come, it's hit the tower. So again we have lost this. I just said a few seconds back it was good for us to win, but the Valkyrie came to front. So another loss, and we have to continue free again. Come on, 10,000 gold. I'm not missing on that. We have to get that. Goblin Gang. Not bad. I mean, it's not a good move from him, but helped us. But it's a great card again. Costs less. Though there are spear goblins and goblins mixed. I mean, both of them in one card. It just costs 3 elixir. That's very less. But look at the damage we are dealing here. The Lumberjack on one side and the Mega Knight on another, dealing massive amount of damage along with the Goblin Barrel. So this is going well for us here until now. I don't want to be overconfident because we lost the last game, thinking that we may win it. But this time seriously, I just have I just think we are going to win this, because look at that, he's not cared about the Electro Wizard, and here comes the Mega Knight. I think he's lost interest because he's going to lose his second tower there. So I think he's lost his interest. The P.E.K.K.A. Come on, let's send arrows. Yes, I'm sending it now. Yes, the firecracker's gone. He doesn't have anything like a skeleton army. I've not seen him send that. We have the Lumberjack, but it's no need of it. We have won it. We get 10,000 gold, and we have finished this challenge. Firecrackers fireworks show completed. That's good. And 23 minutes more left for the new season. I don't know what is it. And new challenges. Elixir Marathon. It's short and no losses. That's it for this episode, guys. We'll see you in the next one. In the next one, I think we are going to play battles in the Serenity Peak, which I can't wait for. And until then, goodbye.